welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig. And this one's from Klaiyi hair. I've reviewed a wig or two from them before on my channel, but yeah, girl, let's go ahead and just get right into it because I'm excited to see what we got. Let's go ahead and get right into it. But first, let's get into this packaging. Super cute. A lot of the wig brands are stepping up their game and giving us these cute little freebies. Girl, and I love a freebie. And this bag can double as whatever. Makeup bag, wig bag, whatever bag, girl. Toiletry bag. Super nice. Nice and sturdy. But girl, let's go ahead. Now, all their information will be down below in that description box. So don't skip over it, okay? Don't skip over it. Okay, so off at the top, we have our baby hair layer wig slayer, girl. Stick it down. We got wig caps. We have the satin branded storage bag. We love that for us. And we have the unit. Oh, we got a long one. We got some Brazilian hair. We got 24 inches of Brazilian hair. This is going to be a 7x5 glueless unit. It's a bye-bye knots wig. That means the knots are bleached. She comes ready to go right out of the box. The lace is cut. Yeah, she's nice and flat. Okay, we do have some wig tapes here, just in case that's your thing. Now, that does come in handy because sometimes, you know, I like to use a wig tape from time to time. I don't like glues or gels, but we can use the tape. But let's go ahead and get into the unit, okay? I love a good long, straight bust down, especially Yaki textured hair. It just mimics black girls' hair so good, and I love it. Everybody definitely needs one of these in their collection, okay? I just like to run a few passes with the flat iron to give it a little more shine and luster, but right out of the pack, she's giving everything she needs to give, okay? But she's definitely beautiful. Nice and flat. We don't have to do any work as it pertains to making the unit flatter, should I say. But this is the cap construction. I love that. It does have this little drawstring here in the back. I am loving these more and more because it just really helps the units to just lay flat, especially with this thin elastic strap inside. I love it. Best combination for security, in my opinion. In my professional wig wearing opinion. Let's go ahead and put this baby on. Now, as it pertains to lace, yes, the knots are bleached, but hold on, where's the strap? She is big head friendly. I can tell you that now. I know that strap is a little loose. I should have tightened that up. But it's okay if we don't because we still got this handy dandy drawstring here in the back. Go ahead and give that a pull. Yes, ma'am. I like that. Yes, love that. Instant security. I love that. The lace is nice. However, we are going to go over it with a little more of my residual makeup, just whatever's left on the brush from applying my makeup earlier, just to make it that much more invisible. That's what I like to do. But you can use tinting spray or whatever you like. I'm a makeup girl, but look at this. OMG, hold on, this little band. Told you she was loose. Tuck her into the cap. Yes, girl, super big head friendly because I got a big noggin and super thick natural hair under here. So yeah, this works. This works. This is gorgeous. Very long. The hair is everything. Look how flat it sits. I love it. This is a 7x5. Very nice. I'm telling you, this hair is everything. We don't have to run the flat iron through it. We don't. But let me grab a comb and I'll be back. I did run the flat iron through it just a little to press out the fronts because we don't want to compromise the integrity of our texture, girl, because this Yaki is absolutely everything. It is giving everything it's supposed to give pertaining to our bust down, okay? This hair is everything. Again, this is 24 inches. She is long. It is long. Look at that. Loving it. Nice, long, flirty hair. Okay, loving it. Loving it. Definitely a vibe. Klaiyi hair definitely did that thing. Yes, I'm loving it. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area. I love it. I think it is beautiful. Beautiful. Again, this is 7 by 5, so you have ample parting space. If you wanted to switch it up, you can do that. You can do styles. You can do looks. You can definitely do that. Cut layers in it if you want to have some, like, you know, that 70s Farrah Fawcett blowout look. You can definitely do that easily, and it'll be beautiful on this Yaki texture. Girl, you can just do so much. Don't sleep on Yaki texture. It is beautiful. Definitely gorgeous. Yes, girl. Check out that description box. Don't skip over it. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I love the length on it. Yeah, this is definitely me. I love it. Let me know what you think. Yes. Alright, girl, that is it for me. Let me know what you thought of today's unit. Was it hot or not? I am loving it, girl. I just love a good long unit. It's just everything to me. I love it. It's just so cute. So diva-esque, okay? But yeah, girl, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So make sure you check out that description box. Don't skip over it. Yes. Girl, super lay flat bust down.